Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee haka khandai tari ukala lengkot araja arpusau kala pediang buram yo Dr. Chellakumar MP kumunong pait ka parti ya Meghalaya haka jingya don lang uba Vincent H. Pala President nalor kinongkit kam ka parti. Habakran sikilat patai kubor ru Dr. Chellakumar ulaong. Babun kiong baka Congress kadika Lieng ke Khreh Ngam. Hendrai mentapat kala nang yo bor bat kan poi kapor baki wa kenno kin sa Ïeng Laiñ Kylla. Halor kajik pen Khreh ya ka election MP Lok Sabha kinoy lam kila penpau kajik ngos kem makan job na bro artli ki Lok Sabha constituency ka jilla kata na Shillong bat natura parliamentary seat.
See, men may come, men may go, but Congress party always stand with the public. We have seen many elections. Congress lost in many states, but again in the next election or after 10 years, Congress would have rebounded it back with the full tabbi majority. Now in Telangana, we gave the state vote, but BRS Chandrasekhar Rao misguided the Congress party also, and finally he has taken the credit for all these things. He ruled the state for 10 years, but people today they thrown him out. So like that, now in the Rajasthan we are seeing, after forming a government within a month, the ruling minister is losing the election. The government should resign. If they have any ethics in politics, any morality in politics, the chief minister should submit his resignation immediate. Because people are not in favor of the BJP. So how can anybody say Congress is a sinking ship? Congress is always a phoenix, but it will come back. And those who are saying Congress is a sinking ship, when the Congress come back to power, they will be in the queue to join back the Congress. I will give it in writing today. See, our sitting member of parliament, the PCC president, he has done a lot for this state as a member of parliament. Earlier, from Tura to Shillong, people have to go via Guwahati, then only they can come to Shillong. But today, because of Mr. Vincent Balaji's effort and the Congress government's contribution, today you are seeing a good highway. People of Meghalaya, they have saved money, they have saved time, and more development works. The areas is getting developed, all because of the highway. So it is initiated by Vincent Balaji. Like that, many things he has brought to the constituency and the state of Meghalaya. And Congress party also. We, the Congress party, has established the Northeastern Hill University, Nagpur. We have established the Ïeng. We have established the NIT, NIFT. Like that, all the developmental work, it is done by the Congress party. It may be our failure in properly convincing the public. I don't say that it's our failure because people have voted for the Congress party. People are aware, well aware. But people, after getting elected from the Congress, they ditch the public verdict. They backstab the public. So again, we will definitely, we are in a better position to convince the people, and 100% we will win both parliament seats.
So what will be the prospect of the party when it comes to Garo Hills, Tura, Parliament?
Yeah, that's what I told. We will win both the parliament seats this time.